Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm sharing healthy version of delicious, very rich in flavor, chocolatey mouth-watering brownies that are soft and spongy to enjoy every bite without any guilt. With the goodness of whole wheat flour, look at how perfect brownies we got with the crumbled top layer and soft texture. Though we used whole wheat flour, our brownies are very light and spongy, and here you can see I am slicing it for you to show the inner texture of our brownies. So chocolatey. So now let's get into the video and check out the recipe for this chocolatey mouth-watering brownies. To start with our recipe, here I have taken half a cup of whole wheat flour and I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix all the dry ingredients together and keep it aside. Now take another bowl and add half a spoon of whole wheat flour and half a cup of dark chocolate chips. Now mix this dark chocolate chips with the whole wheat flour so that the chocolate chips do not sink to the bottom of the cake. With this, our cake flour and chocolate chips are ready, so keep them aside. And here I have taken 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and our dry ingredients. Now take a mixing bowl and here I am adding half cup of oil. Here I used coconut oil. You may use whatever oil that is available. And to this I added 1 cup of organic raw sugar and give it a good mix so that the sugar combines with the oil very well. Once the sugar is well mixed up, here I am adding 2 eggs and give it a good mix. Always make sure that the eggs are at room temperature for baking cake or brownie or cookies, whatever it is. Now whisk thoroughly so that the eggs combine well. Now here I am adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and give it a good mix until the cocoa powder combines well with all the wet ingredients. Here you can see this is mixed very well. Now here I am adding our already measured whole wheat flour mixed with salt and baking powder. Here at this point I am adding just half of this mixture and then combine it and then add the remaining flour. So here you can see I added just half of it. Now I am mixing it thoroughly so that this whole wheat flour combines well with the wet ingredients. Here it is mixed well, so I am adding the rest of the flour also. Now give it a good mix. Here in our brownies we used whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour because all-purpose flour is processed and bleached, so just to avoid all-purpose flour I use whole wheat flour. And also in our brownies we used organic raw sugar, which is much better than the refined sugar, to make it more healthy. Here our brownie batter is ready, so now scrape all the sides. And now here I am adding our chocolate chips that are coated with the wheat flour so that they do not sink to the bottom of the brownie batter. Now after adding this chocolate chips, just cut and fold. Do not whisk it vigorously or combine it vigorously. Cut and fold is enough. Now our brownie batter is ready. Here I am transferring this brownie batter into a square tin that is lined with parchment paper. And always make sure to take little lengthy parchment paper, leaving the sides behind like this so that you can hold and remove while demolding this brownie. Now our brownie batter is ready. Here I am setting the oven temperature to 380 Fahrenheit and preheat it. Once the oven is preheated, here I am transferring this cake tin to the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. This baking time differs with oven to oven temperature settings, so check after 20 minutes. Here I am checking if our brownie is baked or not. So run a knife and you can see our knife came out clean, so it shows that our brownie is well baked. Now remove this from the oven and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. After it is cooled, now take this and remove the parchment paper. Here you can see our brownie is well baked and it took me around 23 minutes to bake this perfect brownie. Here you can see I am slicing it and our knife is running smooth and soft. Here you can see the soft texture of our brownies with the crumbled top and These are very soft and chocolatey mouth-watering brownies with the whole wheat flour and coconut oil and raw sugar. So friends, try making this healthy version of chocolate brownies and do comment how you like them. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. Also, please do share my recipes with your family and friends and stay healthy and happy. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.